Well, here comes my handsome husband on the grain buggy. You see that arm that he's letting out? That's the unloading auger. And he's going to dump this corn on this 10-wheeler right here, and I'm going to back up so I'm not in the way. There we go. Look at that. I'm going to see if he's going to give me a ride out to the combine too. And he's going to back up so he can get it evenly distributed in there. Sorry about the wind, y'all. But it sure is better than not having any breeze at all. Let's see if I can get that. Not really. The prices are terrible this year, but you got to think optimistically, don't you? Okay, it's winding down. Let's see if I can't get on this thing. There he goes. There we go. Look at that hopper. Can y'all see all that corn on the top of it? Hang on to your hair, Ethel. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see if I can't. There we go. Alright. See, there's your combine. And there's the auger from the combine that's putting it in the grain buggy. And we're doing what you call loading on the go. Rough. Yep, there's another ditcher track. Y'all hang on. Okay, there we go.
That's where the poly pipe ran across this bridge.
Oh, okay.
Bridge in the middle of the field so you water both ways.
Oh, okay. Alrighty, that was for the poly pipe.
Back out there, that might be a good picture to take where we've taken the poly pipe up, so you'll just see the grooves
Oh, okay.
for the poly pipe
Okay.
laid in it, but that would be different.
That would be different, wouldn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So how fast are you going right now, Donnie?
4 miles an hour.
4 miles an hour. Burning it up. I'm telling you. Whenever it's he's done dumping on you.
You'll beep on the radio.
On the radio down here.
Yes.
Okay. There's always something beeping on these things.
Yeah. Kind of strange. We're so far away from him, but when he's cutting rice, he's got a 30-foot header on it.
Yeah.
That's just a 20-foot corn head. And so the unloading auger has to get far enough away when you've got that 30-foot head on it.
Right.
So you're not into it. So now that you've got a narrower head on it, we're a lot further away from it.
Right. And it seems like when I've rode with you before, it's the first time I've rode in the corn,
Well, you're a lot closer.
we're a lot closer.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it seems like on the rice or the beans, the header's just right up there on you.
Yeah.
There's a young man on that combine asked me if I brought some pie. I said, no, pie's at your house. Now, is this tractor that the air conditioner went out on?
Yes.
It seems like the air conditioner's working now.
Yeah.
Better.
Yeah, we'll have a mechanic out there for about 2 hours this morning.
Uh-oh. is gonna turn. So
if this ditcher track hadn't been right here, this real rough spot, we could have.
hightailed it. Lean, green, mean, corn-eating machine right there, I'm telling you. Okay. Now we're going to the grain buggy.
Yeah.
Now, is this the field that had the sweet corn growing in it too?
Yes. It was right next to the gravel road.
Yeah, okay. I missed that. Coming down here to show my friends the sweet corn, but we put it up in the freezer
Yes.
and it was delicious.
It was delicious.
We had some for dinner yesterday, didn't we?
Yeah,
It was
right.
good. It was delicious.
Oh, here's this truck place.
Hang on to here, I thought we got another rough place. I took my allergy medicine a while ago.
That was a good move.
I like to got my goat yesterday.
You may want to film this back here when we're folding this
Oh,
over.
okay. Okay.
You'll have to get pretty close. That thing is pretty dusty.
Okay.
Usually on the road where it's smooth,
Yeah.
going through the truck, we'll fold it. Are you ready to fold it?
Yeah, I'm ready. Okay, we're going to unfold the auger now.
All right.
Okay.
Down here, cause I'm trying to not hold these trucks too heavy,
Oh, yeah.
and so I need to be able to see over in there.
Yeah.
So I need them to be lower than I am.
Can you see over my head?
Yeah.
How many loads of corn do you have on that truck so far?
Just about one. It makes about 1.5.
1.5. Which takes the longest, unloading the combine on the buggy or the buggy on the big truck?
Oh, the combine takes the longest.
So-
Well, this has an 18-inch auger and you run it really fast.
Oh,
So
okay.
You can unload. That buggy holds about, well, it's rated 875 bushels. Probably doesn't have that on there.
Yeah.
But, or it certainly didn't then, so we just had the one. The combine hopper holds about
400 bushels.
4 to 450 when it's really up, because it's got tip tops on it.
He doesn't look like he's moving.
Yeah, he probably is. He's going pretty slow.
Oh, I bet that's that poly pipe run,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yeah.
It's crossing over.
But you'll be able to see it better if we can get out there where it hasn't really been cut and all that straw knocked down.
Right.
You can really see it there.
Okay. Alrighty. Okay, can y'all see that one corn stalk right there? See that one corn stalk? You know what that is?
This is rough right
This
here.
is rough right here. That one corn stalk, that is a maze for blondes. Like me. Okay, now what did you say?
I said, I thought you was going to say that's our profit.
It was our profit. I thought that was a given.
Yes.
Here he comes. I hope he sees his mama standing over here. Maybe he'll stop and let us on. There we go. Here he comes. All right. Let's talk about service with a smile. Okay, let's climb up these ladders now. Okay, now we're backing up to get where he was because he was a good boy and let his mama on, didn't run over me. That big old corn header up there you go. There's Donnie. Everybody wave at Donnie. Say hello. Okay, here we go. Make that a little bit bigger for y'all. Look at that, y'all. That's some turbulence. There's a corn cob laying up on the got cut so far?
52.
52. Right.
We'll be out of this and back in rice for the end of the day.
All right. Okay, now we're loading up the grain buggy on Donnie. How fast are we going?
About 4 miles an hour.
4 miles an hour?
We could up to 6, but nobody can get it hauled away from it.
It'd be too much grain. You'd end up setting a lot, wouldn't you?
Yep. Have everybody behind me mad.
Everybody be mad. Can you see past me?
I want to back up a little bit, Donnie. Hey, Donnie, let's just go ahead and stop. You're going to have a big buggy whenever we get done here.
You want to see my son? Isn't he cute? Is he gonna hold all that? Yes, he's shaking his head yes.
Yeah, he will.
He will. Just like that. Just like you've done that before. 1,100 times.
You're rounded up full.
So which would you rather cut? Beans or rice or corn?
Corn.
Corn?
Yeah, it's more fun. You go straight. You don't cross levees.
Oh,
Straight back for it.
right. Straight back and forth.
You dump more than you cut.
Oh, okay. Well, that makes good sense. Yeah, and that rice, we did, was that 3 summers ago when we did that rice video?
I think so.
Had to crawl over. Okay, we got a rough spot right here. That's where that poly pipe ran.
Well, that's where the bottom levee
Oh, that's where the bottom levee was. Okay.
drain it.
Oh.
Poly runs up here.
Poly runs up here. What poly pipe is, y'all? That's just this big plastic tubing like that rolls up, and it's how you water your crop without having a bunch of levees. Because every time you cut down mow down some levees, you mow down crop, don't you?
Taking you.
That's right. All right, y'all. We're gonna turn around. I'm gonna show you what's in the hopper. There. All that good corn.
Yeah, feed the chicken.
And feed the chickens on it. Have you taken any home to your chickens?
I figured I will.
Yeah. Can they eat it like that, or do you have to crush it?
They eat it just like
Just like that? Will they eat the whole thing, or not like a squirrel eats the part that guts out of
They
it?
eat the whole thing.
The whole thing. That's pretty cool.
Now, Pico will grind this before they feed it to that chicken.
Oh, Pico does. And that's where you hold your corn to, Pico?
Yeah, we haul it all to Pico. We don't grind it. They'll grind it and make chicken feed.
Oh, okay. Well, that's right up there in, was that Magnus or Newark up in there?
Newark's the one we go
Newark,
to.
yeah.
OMP is at Magnus.
Oh, okay. I want these at Magnus. Well, that's
Same
right.
thing, different company.
Yeah, yeah. That's right up there where they got all those chicken houses, huh?
Yep.
Now, these corn stalks have one ear, sometimes two, or
95% of them have one ear.
yeah.
Some of them will have two, but most of the time, if it has 2 ears, it don't have the nutrients to support 2
isn't it?
pretty much. So you want 1 ear per plant.
I got you. Now, how about your sweet corn? It had 2 or 3 sometimes?
Yeah, 2.
2. Some of those were dinky, weren't they?
We saved our seed from last year, and I think we screwed up by doing that.
So that seed that's in my freezer for next year, you think it's a lost cause?
I think so.
Okay. So I can put something else in that spot then. Okay.
Yeah.
Like zucchini?
Yeah. Yeah.
Like another mock, poor boy apple pie?
Exactly.
Was that pretty good in that square one I made you?
Yeah, I was disappointed you didn't bring a piece with you.
Because it's at your house. I had some zucchini bread, but I didn't know you liked zucchini bread. I brought you some water.
That'll work.
Yeah, I made that with regular bread. Could you tell any difference in the gluten-free and it tastes the same?
Tastes exactly the same.
Well, hot dog. That's a win for us gluten-free gals. So you're going to put this in the grain bin and let it dry down, or then we're going to, when the prices get better, we're going to haul it to Pico? Is that the plan?
We'll put it in the grain bins, dry it down to 15% moisture, and then the highest bidder gets it.
Highest bidder. Going to the highest bidder. All right.
Whoever that may be.
I'm all for that. What was that Uncle Hurley always said?
You can score with scale tickets.
That's right. And deposit tickets.
Yeah.
That's right. So they take it straight from the grain bin and feed it straight to the chickens. They don't have to do anything to it.
No grind. Pico will grind
No
it.
grind it for the chickens.
Yeah. I don't know what else they do to it, but I know they grind it.
Oh, okay. And I guess if you was going to feed it to horses and cattle, they do other stuff to it, don't they?
Yeah, I don't know what they do to it, but they don't feed it just straight out the field.
Yeah.
They
Yeah.
do something.
Well, when I was in college, I had a crops I was an ag major, but I had a crops class, and we had to configure some kind of nutrient thing with, and had to have molasses in the ingredients and all that kind of stuff. We didn't actually do it, but we had to know how to work up the tickets and everything on add molasses, so the cattle and whatnot would eat it. But as you can see, we're row croppers. There's not a cow in 25 miles of us. Yeah, I guess Jason's got some cows up there.
He's got them up on the ridge.
Up on the ridge.
6-8 miles from us.
Okay. I stand corrected.
But not out around here.
No.
Not immediate.
No, the mosquitoes eat them up, wouldn't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, I always wanted a horse when I was growing up, and Daddy wouldn't let me have one because he said the mosquitoes would eat it up, but I figure it's because he didn't want to have to mess with it.
I think he didn't want to mess with the horse.
I think he didn't want to mess with the horse. It was too flat.
Didn't eat that dog up you had, did it?
Yeah, it ate that dog up. So when do you think you're going to have some beans ready?
Probably 10 days, 2 weeks,
Oh, cool.
something like that.
Okay.
We'll cut the corn, get all the rice cut, then worry about beans.
I got you. What do you think? What is the moisture of this corn you're cutting right now?
18 and a half to almost 20.
18. Okay. Now, when you haul it in, what moisture do they like?
Needs to be between 15 and 16.
Oh, okay.
But you can actually get a yield bump by cutting it higher moisture or shelling it higher moisture, putting it in the bins and drying it down because you can do a better job harvesting it.
Really?
So you want to cut it at a higher moisture, dry it down, then haul it in.
I got
If you
you.
wait till 15, you lose a lot of it. Pulls the stalk through the header so fast, the cob will hit the header, they'll shatter kernels off the butt. You'll get butt spillage,
Butt spillage.
pretty much.
And nobody's in favor of that, are they?
No. But,
Oh, well, that makes good sense.
yeah, it'll break the kernels off the butt of the cob and they'll go through the header, so you'll have more header loss.
I got you.
You can gain 3, 4, 5 bushels depending on how good a job you do by cutting higher moisture.
Okay. saw, we cut it when it's ready. Now up in the north, in the Midwest, don't they wait until
They'll cut 30% moisture.
30% moisture?
We wanted 20 or under. They'll cut 30 and then dry it down.
Oh, okay. Well, that takes more propane and electricity to dry it down. And
Just decrease your drying charges.
yeah, but can't they wait until like February and whatnot and stuff like that?
They'll start in October.
Oh, do they? I didn't know if they.
But if it gets muddy, they'll let it stand there till February or March. Let
Yeah.
the ground freeze.
Yeah, that's what I heard. So what do you think about growing Milo? Hard no?
I've never done it.
It's itchy.
I don't know anything about growing milo.
You don't want to.
Now Isaac up at Oil Charles, he grew some milo last year, but I don't know nothing about it.
I can tell you, it's itchy. Like bad itchy.
You know more about it than I do.
I don't like
It
it.
can't be no worse than that hybrid rice.
That's what Donnie said. It was
horrible.
it was a booger. It gets stuck in the grain buggy and you can't get it
Yeah.
out.
Where's your husband at?
My husband. I don't see my husband.
Well, we kind of need him. Oh, there he is.
Here he comes. Can I show him that? Okay, hang on. I'm going to show y'all this. This is a camera that is in the hopper of the combine. And that's the auger that's unloading it there. But anyway, that's amazing. My daddy would have had a cow if he'd had all this technology. And
He would not have liked it.
he would not have liked it. No. We had a big four-wheel drive tractor one time, and he never ever drove it. He always drove those 40-20 without a cab.
Don't they show you the amazing license?
No.
Oh, their buggy has to be hydraulic. You got to get bug plates on what they do and duct tape and start it.
I like it. Alrighty, now I'm going to go get on the tractor with Donnie. He's going to take me back to my rig, and I'm going to go up and talk to LJ at the grain bins. So, thank you, Kelby. Tell everybody bye.
See ya.
Hey y'all, we're gonna take a little detour on the way to the grain bins. I'm gonna show you this rice. Show you what it looks like. There it is, y'all. There's your rice plant. Look at that. There we go. Rice as far as the eye can see. I'll show you where we were. Right over there. There's the combine. All right, let's go to the grain bin and see LJ. Here we are at the grain bin. And we're dumping that 10-wheeler. Hang on a minute, I gotta give LJ something. I'm out of water, LJ. You're welcome. Okay, now tell them what that's doing.
That is loading up C-bin, coming across a crossover across the top of the bin, dumping into the very last. We've got this bin blocked off, and transporting it all the way to the north bin.
Okay, so it can't fall down into this one or the second one, but it just goes straight over there.
Right.
Okay. So you're careful when you go up there and shut that, aren't you? Yes.
Very good.
Very careful. Oh my gosh. Okay, so LJ, how long is that auger?
72 feet.
Wow.
13 inches in diameter and 72 feet long.
Wow. You don't just drive that down the road, do you? It stays right there. How cool.
Come over here and I'll show you the bracket we built to transport this auger so you can drive with the auger in front of you rather than pull it behind you.
I got you.
This built to go on our front hitch. We pick the auger up off the ground. Of course, it's lowered closer to the ground. When we drive, pushing the auger rather than pulling it so we can see what we're doing.
Okay, so this is on the front of that tractor.
Correct.
There. Okay. Then you got a PTO operating it from the other tractor.
You have to have a 150 horsepower tractor to control this right here. Nothing else will operate it. It ain't got enough horsepower.
It's a big radical.
Big radical.
Big radical. And how long does it take to unload a truck like that?
Really, to be honest, it depends on how heavy Donnie loads it.
Ah,
About 20 minutes.
about 20 minutes? Yeah, that's not too bad. No. I've done work for short amounts of time.
Just hot and nasty.
Hot and nasty, yes sir. Yes, sir.
Raining in August,
It is.
or snowing in August.
This chaff is something. Looks like, I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's just, there's that chaff. Looks like snow. I took my allergy medicine before I came down here.
Last year it was all red. This year with the variety of corn we got, it's all white.
Oh, that's very interesting. Huh. Gotcha.
All we're waiting on right now is sundown.
That is the truth. See you, LJ. Tell everybody bye. Well, good folks, that concludes our trip to the farm today and cutting some corn. And we rode the combine with Kelby. We rode the grain buggy with Donnie. Went to the grain bins and talked to LJ. And we're back at the house. I am going to go take a shower. I am covered. And I admire those men for going from can to can't, from sun up to sundown, because I don't have it in me, but they do. And I just thought, look over my shoulder. Can y'all see my zinnias? Aren't they pretty? Okay, y'all. Appreciate y'all for stopping by. If you like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe. Bye, y'all.